Hello, welcome to another lesson. In this lecture, we are going to be talking about the convert entity feature and how to share a sketch. This lesson doesn't fall under the Valve project we are currently working on, but I just want to show you this as a side note. So the first one we are going to talk about is how to share a sketch. So let's say sharing a sketch is pretty simple. So I have this feature has a sketch. So let's say I want to draw another feature out. I want to extrude this cylinder out. Instead of drawing another sketch, and all I can do is, if I click on this sketch, you can see the sketch for this cylinder is on that face. Just in case if I want to draw and extrude this cylinder, another cylinder coming out this way, what I can do is just click on the extrude feature, and it's going to ask me to select, either draw a sketch or select a sketch. So what I'm going to do is select the sketch for that plane, and now I can reverse it and I can add it. I want to extrude it too, and now we have used that sketch to draw, and we have used that sketch to extrude it. And if I click on this feature and go down on this feature, you'll see this little ant symbol, and that is telling you that that sketch is being shared by these two features. They are the same sketch. So that is pretty much how you share a sketch. You click your feature and select the sketch you have already, and just use that sketch to draw your feature. So the next one we are going to talk about is the convert entity feature. So let me click on this face, and if I draw a sketch on it. So now I want to draw this cylinder on this edge as well. So instead of drawing another sketch and adding a dimension to it, I can use this cylinder that pre-exists already by clicking this edge and selecting convert entity. And what SolidWorks does is SolidWorks will make a sketch of it on that face on that face where I'm in the sketch mode. And all we need to do now is just extrude it. We'll extrude it too, and that is how the convert entity works. So with the convert entity, you can select the edge or a face of any feature, and SolidWorks will convert that face into a sketch for you, and you can use that sketch. And to share a sketch, all you do is click on the feature and click on your sketch. You already have a pre-existing sketch, and you can use that to draw a feature. And I just want to show you this before we proceed. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next lecture. Bye.